my channel. Today I have a crafty haul to share with you. It is a small haul from Globleland. I will go ahead and leave you with the links to everything that you see here in the description area below. And let's go ahead and get right down to it. So the first thing that I ordered from them is this really cute French fry box. Now, a while back when I used to make my French fry boxes, I would use several different dies, like a die for to decorate this part over here. But I'm glad that they finally came out with a die set that you get the pretty little design in the front, the embellished design in the front, plus you get some tabs, not tabs, but tags, you know, that you could embellish this with, and then you get this piece over here that you can easily put to decorate the top of the die. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm looking forward to using these to make some Galentine Happy Mail. Another box shape that I went ahead and ordered was this one, and let me see, and I will go ahead and I hope that I can remember to add pictures of each of these, what it comes out to. I'll go ahead and gather some pictures from their website to show you what these make. These are absolutely cute. I believe this makes a whatchamacallit, not lipstick. Well, you can fit a lipstick there, lip gloss, or I guess lipstick box, and it's really cute. Yeah, it has the lips there, and this says kiss, and it has a bunch of little hearts that you can die cut. And also, check this out, this is a lipstick, an actual lipstick, so I like that. Oh, this is the top to this one. Yeah, so this is the shadow, and this is the embellished fancy lipstick design. And so over here we have another one. Here is the label, I guess, in here, and I know that I can I think let's see how it works out. I think that I can go ahead and make a window using acetate paper so that you can see through. But yeah, I am looking forward to using this. Look, you get a crown too, and a flying heart. So yeah, this is gonna be fun for the Galentine's Happy Mail. And here is another box that I got from them. As you can tell, it's a narrow box. Obviously a gift box in which you get the banners. Isn't that cute? You get the banners. So I think this is going to be like a pen box. Let me see. Ooh, yeah. Well, I don't know. It may not be wide enough, but we will check if I can use this to house the pens that I'm selling. That would be awesome, you know, like making a gift box for these beaded pens. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and see if we can use these. I will let you know when I share my projects with these. And here is the final set of dies from Globleland. Another box, because this time I make sure to order boxes, because the boxes, you know, you can use any time of the year, really. And these are very feminine, very girly. And anyways, I'll go ahead and set the picture to it right around here somewhere. And yeah, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, and click on the bell notification and make sure that you put so that YouTube notifies you when I upload my next video. This way you could see my projects, and I'll probably wind up doing a project tour, a project share, or a video tutorial using one of these. And last but not least, I had to go to the embellishments. I had to go to the check out their trims and stuff, and I found this beautiful, oh my gosh, look how pretty, look at this beautiful trim. I love it, I love it, I love it, because I love making, let me get this out, I love making the shabby chic creations, like mini albums, and I'm still working on journals. You know, I got my box right here. Yes, because I like raisins. They are healthy and they're good for you. So anyways, off camera, I practice, and what gets me is the sewing. Oh gosh, I just don't get it, but I want to learn how to make journals. I design papers for journals, like journaling kits, but I can't make a journal to save my life. I need somebody to tell me, now you do this, then you cross over to this, and anyways, so I thought that this would make an absolutely, and I hope that you can see, look at this. It's so absolutely beautiful. Anyways, yeah, go ahead and check out my links and say hi to Globleland for me, and yeah, they have a lot of cute dies, and you get a lot of bang for your bucks, especially when it comes to box dies and dimensional dies, because at this day and age, you need to watch your P's and Q's and budget every single dime that you spend. So yeah, it's really great that they have these die sets out there so that you can use them and keep on crafting. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you once again real soon.